Hello YouTube and everybody out in internet land. This little project is quite a special one actually. So Dale at Wacky Woodworks, he came up with this idea for Australian and New Zealand woodworkers all to do a project and post it online to do with Anzac Day. Now for those of you who don't know, Anzacs is the name given to the Australian and New Zealand fighting force, and Anzac Day is to do with Gallipoli, which was in World War One, and we fought and lost a lot of souls. They gave it all back then. Also to the men and women that are serving today. I live my life the way I live. I do my woodworking and I go hunting and I go fishing, and I'm free to do that because you guys are out there doing your job and protecting my home. So a big thank you for that from me to you. My family lost family members on Gallipoli, so I never knew them. They were my ancestors, but thank you for your ultimate sacrifice. Enjoy the video and spare a thought to the military and what they do. Yep.